Hey, welcome to my SnapNinja AI review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful tool that lets you record, edit, and create stunning videos effortlessly using AI, all inside your browser. And here's the exciting part. You don't need any fancy software, editing skills, or expensive subscriptions. Just log in, click a button, and let the AI-powered system handle the heavy lifting for you. Make sure to stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you are new here, welcome. I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing and SEO, and I'm here to help you find the best tools to grow your business. If that sounds like your vibe, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss a new review. And here's a special treat. I've put together some amazing bonuses that you'll get only through my link below. These are designed to help you maximize your results with SnapNinja AI, so check the description before they're gone. So, what is SnapNinja AI? SnapNinja AI is a cloud-based screen recording and video editing suite powered by AI. It lets you record your screen, face, and audio in one click, take screenshots, generate subtitles, add logos, edit videos like a pro, trim, cut, resize, rotate, compress, convert formats like MP4 to MP3, and even generate videos using AI from text, images, or audio. It's designed for marketers, content creators, freelancers, educators, literally anyone who wants to make and edit videos fast without technical headaches. Standout features that caught my eye: one-click recording, screen, face, audio, or live stream, powerful AI editors, text-to-video, background remover, noise cleaner, subtitles auto-generated in seconds, no software to install, 100% online, commercial license included, monetize your content instantly, works on subdomains with built-in SSL, no hosting or domain needed. How it works: super simple. One login from any device. No setup needed. 2, choose what you want to do. Record, edit, create with AI. 3, publish or download your final content. 4, use it for YouTube, social media, training, sales videos, you name it. This is literally plug and play. No learning curve, no tech mess, just results. Upgrades, OTOs. What's available? Once you grab the front end at just $17, here are the optional upgrades. OTO 1, Premium Edition, $47. Remove branding, unlock 50 plus pro tools like AI video generators, background remover, TTS, and more. Recommended if you want more AI magic. OTO 2, Unlimited Edition, $67. No limits. Record, edit, and generate content endlessly. A must-have for serious users. OTO 3, Audiobook Edition, $37. Turn any URL or keyword into an ebook or flipbook in seconds. Great for bloggers or info product creators. OTO 4, Done For You Edition, $97. The team does everything: editing, graphics, videos, content. Perfect if you want hands-free results. OTO 5, Visual Edition, $47. Create stunning 4K videos, logos, cartoons, art with GPT-4 AI. Ideal for branding and social media. OTO 6, Agency Edition, $97 to $197. Create and sell accounts, either 50 user or unlimited user licenses. Killer for freelancers or resellers. OTO 7, Reseller License, $67 to $97. Sell SnapNinja AI and keep 100% commissions. Good if you want to promote it like me. OTO 8, White Label Edition, $297. Launch your own branded version, fully hosted. Custom logo, your payment system. High ticket opportunity.
Do you know, AI is putting people left and right out of business, which can be scary for some people. But for us, we see this as an opportunity. It's an opportunity that allows us to profit from. One of the industries that got hit severely is video editing. AI will soon replace every one of them. But if you are someone looking to exploit that to make money like this, then listen up. We created world's first AI app that lets you record, screen capture, and edit your videos in just 60 seconds without installing any extension. It is everything that an experienced video editor can do, only 9 times better and faster than anyone. Not just that, it also creates screen recording and takes screen capture for your video within a fraction of the time. Here are the amazing features blow up your mind. Record your screen with one click without installing any software, take screenshot of entire screens from laptop in easy manner, edit any videos like Pro in just a few clicks, create and make animated videos with AI, generate subtitles for your video automatically, add a logo to your video without any difficulties, compress your video to the size that you desire, cut the video to the perfect length instantly, join several videos together to double the video fun, get the wrong angle when shooting? Get right by rotating video. Cut your video in several parts and clicks. Edit video subtitles, captions online. Upload a video or photo and create a meme in seconds. Convert text to creative images with an AI image generator. Convert MP4 to MP3 online for free in seconds. Resize video online to fit different social media platforms. Convert audio files to MP3 with a few clicks. Convert your audio files to MP3 or WAV format quickly. Share your online screenshot in just a few clicks. Download your online screenshot in just a few clicks. Share your screen online in just a few clicks. Download your screen online in just a few clicks. Set up subdomains and advanced SSL. No domain and hosting required. Free SSL included, no technical skills required. 24/7 premium support to solve all your issues on time. Commercial license included. All of those videos were generated with the power of our specialized AI engine with zero work or experience. All we did was tell our AI what we wanted to generate, and that's it. Without designing anything, without recording anything, and without editing or montaging anything. Not only does SnapNinja AI generate, edit, and montage any video you want, it also comes with over 50 other video tools completely powered by AI and tons of other features. Not just that, it also generates any image or design you may need in your videos. Listen, you don't need any kind of experience to get started with SnapNinja AI. All you need is to click a few buttons and that's it. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started. Step 1, log into SnapNinja AI dashboard. Step 2, select the feature you want for your video. AI will do all the work for you. Step 3, enjoy. AI will give you your new video within seconds. That's it. SnapNinja AI works for everyone. Affiliate marketers, product owners, coaches, e-com store owners, agency owners, and anyone who is looking to make a side income online. How much is this going to cost me? In simple words, SnapNinja AI is priceless. It's the first to market app that does everything for you, leaving one job to you: profits. I can literally charge tens of thousands of dollars for it, but I make enough money for using SnapNinja AI, so I don't need to charge you that. I use it on a daily basis, so I don't see why I should give you access to it. So for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you access of SnapNinja AI for a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running SnapNinja AI, but that won't last long. While SnapNinja AI is impossible to saturate, our servers can only handle so many users. So sadly, I'll have to limit the number of licensees I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 monthly. And trust me, that day will come very, very soon. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. Listen, right now, you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you. And in the unlikely event that you failed to use SnapNinja AI for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. Click the button below and get access to SnapNinja AI plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000. I'll see you inside.
What I love about SnapNinja AI: beginner friendly, no tech headaches, tons of AI tools in one place, no software to install commercial use rights from day one, saves time and money. Massively, what could be better? Honestly, if you're building advanced software or custom coded apps, this won't replace a pro dev. But for marketers and creators, this is more than enough firepower. Final verdict: should you get it? If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to create, edit, and profit from videos with AI doing most of the work, SnapNinja AI is an absolute steal. Perfect for video marketers, educators, freelancers, and agencies. Grab it using my link below, and don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for checking out my SnapNinja AI review. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.